3 best international travel apps for iPhone. In this video, you're about to discover the top 3 international travel apps for iPhone that truly stand out in 2025 and why they belong on your home screen before your next trip. You've probably planned a trip only to realize halfway through that you forgot key reservations, didn't download the map, or lost track of your group's expenses. Sound familiar? Let's break down the 3 travel apps that fix all of that. These apps help you stay organized, find your way, and make international travel smoother than ever. 3. TripIt, the ultimate itinerary organizer. TripIt lets you forward confirmation emails for flights, hotels, trains, and car rentals, and then automatically builds a master itinerary. Everything syncs into a single place and can be accessed offline, so even if you're without signal on a mountain or inside an airport terminal, you're still covered. People love how it keeps all your bookings neat and sorted, and how the layout makes it easy to see your day-by-day plan. If you're someone who likes knowing what's next at a glance, TripIt becomes a must. Its premium upgrade adds features like real-time flight alerts and seat trackers, but even the free version already saves you from missing check-ins or forgetting hotel addresses. 2. Google Maps, the traveler's navigation lifeline. This app is a must-have for one reason: reliability. It works in almost every country, allows offline map downloads, and provides walking, biking, driving, and public transit directions all in one place. Whether you're navigating Tokyo subway or hiking through southern Spain, Google Maps helps you get where you're going even without mobile data. It's also great for finding nearby restaurants, checking store hours, or identifying landmarks on the go. And when you're in a foreign country, seeing user reviews and photos helps make smarter decisions fast. 1. Wanderlog, for trip planning and group coordination. Wanderlog is a game changer if you're planning with friends or trying to organize multiple cities or stops. It lets you build full itineraries, drag and drop attractions, and track shared expenses all in one smooth interface. Unlike other apps, it makes it easy to collaborate. Everyone in your group can add places, edit routes, or log costs. That means no more endless chats about who owes what or where you're eating tonight. Even solo travelers love Wanderlog because it helps visualize the entire trip, from planning routes to budgeting days, all without switching between 5 different apps. So why are these 3 apps the best? Because they cover the entire travel experience. TripIt keeps your logistics crystal clear. Google Maps ensures you never get lost. Wanderlog makes planning and group travel friction-free. Each one supports offline use, making them perfect for international trips where data access is limited or expensive. Now, which one fits your travel style? If you're the organized type who wants every confirmation in one place, TripIt is your go-to. If you're exploring new places on foot or public transport, Google Maps is essential. If you're traveling with others or juggling multiple stops, Wanderlog makes everything smoother. Pairing them together gives you full control planning, navigation, coordination all in your pocket. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.